Yeah, I miss Robin. I miss my old house that I live in. So I think I'll go back for a visit to the ghetto. Well, there's the house. Let's see, who's on the porch? It looks like Charles. Well, let's go inside and see what's going on inside. Here's the living room, just as I remembered. Let's see what's going on in Medea's room. Wow. Is that a picture of Daddy on the dresser? And Mama's Bible on the dresser. Look, Mama laying in the bed. Oh, Charles got his room clean for a change. Yep. Okay, let's go into the dining room. Wow, there go my picture in a mirror and Brenda's picture on the table. No food on the table, though. Let's go into the kitchen. Oh, pots on the stove. Something cooking. Back door. Somebody coming in. Okay, the bathroom. Yeah, I love that old blue bathroom. The back room is nice and clean, and nobody's visiting in the back room today. Okay. Now let's go on out. Yeah, back home. Yeah, I love our house. Well, that's a tour of the Scott family house in Robin, Illinois. Nothing's changed much. Everything still looks the same. Yeah, Scott family house. That brownie in the yard. Oh my God, yes it is. Well, I gotta go. Bye.